Alright, I just want to make a quick video of how to clean the Vtec solenoid. I went ahead and took it all apart, cleaned it up with a wire brush, cleaned everything up. I just ran it under water, well, not underwater, well, pretty much had the faucet on and scrubbing it at the same time. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and clean all these parts, or dry them up actually. We already cleaned them. It's pretty good as possible. I mean, it could be better, but it's good enough. We're just gonna go ahead and turn on my air compressor, let that charge up, and we're just gonna blow all that water out of it. And I just wanted to show how to take that apart, clean it up. These are the sockets I used, 7/8 and a quarter. Sweet. And that is how you clean the Vtec solenoid. The spring too. You can see through it now. I suggest to replace this. I might go to AutoZone and replace it. Might not. So that's how you clean that. Sweet. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.